Hello, this presentation is hosted by UGAIN, the University of Guelph Animal Interest Network, and today we're going to be talking about the Ontario Pit Bull ban. So, the Ontario Pit Bull legislation came into effect in 2005. It is a public safety act that prohibits the owning, breeding, transferring, abandoning, importing, and training of pit bulls. When it came into effect, any pit bulls currently in Canada had to then be muzzled and leashed at all times in public. One could be faced with a $10,000 fine and 6 months in jail if their pit bull attacks or bites someone or poses a public threat. This amendment basically happened from a media-generated hysteria where examples of pit bull attacks were used, and as they should be. However, a lot of misconceptions were distributed and deemed as credible information, which led people to believe that a breed-specific ban was effective and validated. Many pit bull attacks have occurred in Canada, which have also involved many children, sparking a huge debate that eventually led to the ban of owning, breeding, and training pit bulls in Ontario. Former police chief Julian Fantino even stated that pit bulls are the dogs for criminals, which only encouraged further outrage. These high-emotion stories cause justified outrage, but the facts are often hidden by the outpour of false opinions that mistakenly get misconstrued as true. Is it practical? No, it's not practical or realistic because the breed-specific behavior legislations don't address the root of the problem, which is high-risk owners. The Ontario Medical Veterinary Association, the Canadian Federation of Human Societies, and the Canada Safety Council have all stated that breed-specific bans are ineffective. The pit bull attacks commonly seen are due to the owner's training or lack thereof. After Winnipeg enforced a pit bull ban, the number of pit bull attacks greatly decreased, but those of other breeds, like Rottweiler and German Shepherd, increased. It is true that certain breeds have been selected for their aggressiveness and fighting capabilities, but these behaviors are mainly influenced by their upbringing and environment. These breeds see higher numbers of attacks because it is the people wanting aggressive dogs that seek out these breeds. Therefore, the breed-specific bans don't address the root of the problem, which are the owners. So some discussion questions on this presentation are, do you think breed bans are effective? And if not, how do you propose to change these laws? How can we help inform the rest of the public? And so the final question is, how can we change the public perception of breeds and help get real information and true information out there? Here are some references I used for this presentation. Thank you so much for listening, and please come out to our weekly discussions hosted on Thursdays. Thank you.